Hello and welcome back. In this part of the walkthrough, we will be discussing irrigation and next steps. Veridian has included a 4-week temporary irrigation system to get the lawn started. Contract homes have the option of upgrading to a permanent irrigation system. Move-in ready homes do not. Please let Hawks know as soon as possible if you are interested in permanent irrigation. The temporary irrigation system is basically like a permanent system. All the same products and design. It is just installed above ground and not underground. This will be removed after 4 weeks. It will occupy both of the hose bibs on the home. It will only water the turf and does not water the flower beds. These are the responsibility of the homeowner to keep watered. The street or parking strips are also the responsibility of the homeowner to keep watered. Temporary irrigation systems cannot cross city sidewalks. We also cannot have the sprinklers throw water across the sidewalks. We will install temporary hose bibs on the pipe we use to connect to the home. You will use these temporary hose bibs to water the plants, leaving the connection to the home we made alone. The hose bibs on the home need to be left in the on position the entire time the temporary system is in. It takes both of these hose bibs fully on to pressurize the system properly. The system will come on 3 times a day and it will rotate through the zones. Each zone will run approximately about 15 minutes. It comes on in the morning, early afternoon, and early evening. The last couple days of the 4 weeks, a Hawks person will come out and turn down the system to once a day so the ground will firm up. Please avoid walking in the yard during this time. The ground will be super saturated and most likely will leave squished footprints in the mud if you do. We will be walking through the yard a few times during the system, but we are skilled at finding the proper places to walk. We will turn down the system prior to removals, so the removal process also does not leave those footprints. You will be our best eyes and ears on the system as it is operating. Please let us know immediately if something is not working correctly. We will advise you then how to handle it. Lastly, the temp system uses a lot of water during this time. Your water bill will reflect that. This is your responsibility to pay the water bill. Neither Hawks or Veridian will be paying for the water used to get the grass growing. Once the system is removed, you're going to want to wait a few days for the ground to firm up and mow for the lawn for the first time. Mowing is super important for the development of the lawn. It stimulates the grass to grow and start filling in. This should be about week number 5. Somewhere around this point, our fertilizer will start to wear off, and a separate company called the Weed Man will begin fertilizing and provide weed control for the lawn. They are hired by Veridian directly and will provide 6 total applications for your yard. The first one will be about week number 5 or 6, will be a fertilizer only application, and then after that they can begin to use weed control as well.